I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Make or Build It. In miniature painting, the choice between acrylic paints and enamel paints is crucial in the detail and finish you want on your models. Both paints have advantages and disadvantages, but before we discuss those, make sure you like and follow. So let's discuss the characteristics of acrylic paint and enamel paint so you can make an informed decision on which one is right for you when you're painting your miniatures. Acrylic paint is water-based, making them easy to clean up with water. They are favored for their quick drying time, typical drying to the touch within minutes. This property is particularly beneficial for painters who work in layers or who wish to achieve a quick turnaround for their projects. So what are some of the advantages of acrylic paints? Acrylic paints are generally safer to use, emitting lower levels of fumes than their enamel counterparts. This makes them a preferred choice for indoor use or in areas with poor ventilation. Since they are water soluble when wet, brushes and spills can be cleaned up with water. Acrylics dry quickly, allowing the rapid application of multiple coats. These paints can be thinned with water or acrylic mediums to achieve a range of viscosities and finishes, from thin washes to thick textures. Now there are also drawbacks for acrylic paints. Sometimes their rapid drying times can be a drawback, giving less time to blend colors on the model. While advancements have been made, acrylic paints can be less durable than enamel, potentially leading to easier chipping if not properly sealed. Enamel paints are oil-based and offer a different set of properties. They take longer to dry, which can be an advantage or disadvantage depending on the painting technique. Enamels are known for their durability and glossy finish, making them a popular choice for models that handle frequent manipulation or require shiny appearances. So what are some of the advantages of enamel paints? Enamel paints create a hard, durable finish that is resistant to handling and environmental factors, making them ideal for models that will be touched or moved frequently. The longer drying time allows more flexibility in blending and correcting mistakes. They can produce a smooth, hard finish with natural gloss, although matte and satin finishes are also available. But enamel paints also have some drawbacks. Enamel paints can be more toxic and produce stronger fumes due to their solvent-based formulas necessitating good ventilation. They require solvents like turpentine or mineral spirits to clean up, which is messier and more hazardous than water. The decision between acrylic and enamel paints really depends on the painter's preference, working conditions, and the project they're actually working on. For quick projects and layering techniques, acrylics are often the go-to choice due to their rapid drying times and ease of use. For models requiring a durable, glossy finish or extended blending work, enamels might be preferred for their toughness and slower drying time. Regardless of the choice, both types of paints can produce stunning results in the hands of a skilled painter. Experience with both mediums is encouraged to understand the behavior and how they can best serve your miniature painting projects. Remember, this is not an either-or world. Like myself, most people use both. For more on 3D modeling, 3D printing, and miniatures, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It, and remember, keep on making.